Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, the government is reaffirming a tougher stance on unvaccinated Jamaicans as the country grapples with a fourth wave of the coronavirus. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is once again insisting that the time has come to, quote, frown upon those who are against the COVID vaccines. He was speaking at a handing over ceremony in Westmoreland on Friday.
The time has come for us to frown on those who are unvaccinated.
Taking a tougher stance on the unvaccinated, this was the health minister on Friday, repeating a rhetoric he said on Thursday.
They're clogging up our hospital system because they take the risk, recognizing full well what the consequences will be. It is the unvaccinated who are the ones who are primarily in our hospitals. They are the ones who are not, because of the risk, being able to go to work and therefore affecting productivity. They are the ones who are depriving other conditions that you can't help over time because of age or otherwise from getting treatment, so we have to restrict elective surgeries and so on.
He insists he's not trying to stir a divide in the country.
But I do believe that there is a time now when we're going to have to call it as we see it and to say to those who are unvaccinated, you are staring the science in the face and you are coming with an alternative theory which clearly has not worked after 4 waves and counting.
He says after overcoming 3 waves, Jamaicans ought to know the drill of navigating COVID. However, he laments,
I see so many of us as stakeholders, as we ought to be in public health, as I said earlier, ignoring the drill as we embark on this 4th wave. There are going to be a lot of positivity or positive cases in the weeks and maybe even months to come, based on all the features of this wave.
While taking a jab at anti-vaxxers, he maintains modern science has responded to the coronavirus, but
I think we have too many COVID experts who are refusing to listen to what the science says. And vaccination is a big one, which is why I say the time has come for us to frown on those who are unvaccinated.